one of the things that I wish that I knew from the very beginning is, as a personal trainer or health or fitness coach, people are buying into you. They're not buying into the studio. They're not buying into your equipment. They're not buying into your merchandise. They're buying into you. They believe in you. That's why for me personally, I take so much time, dedication, and devotion to my own life, that I practice the things that I preach to my clients, because my clients know Joey does these things for real. So when I share these things with people, it really transforms their life. And I wish that I knew that people were investing into me versus, yes, I have a beautiful gym. I have a beautiful studio. I have all the equipment that I need to work with someone, from a high-end professional athlete to someone who's never worked out in the day in their life. But for the first 10, 11 years of my career, I was like, oh, I gotta have this piece of equipment. I gotta do this, and I didn't realize, it doesn't matter the color on the wall or the type of dumbbell. People are coming here because they believe in me and they want to be a part of this community. And again, I would have avoided a lot of professional mistakes and financial mistakes if I would have realized that, or someone would have told me that from the beginning.